Hello. Welcome to this product introduction on asset discovery. The asset discovery page allows you to quickly find the assets you are looking for. It levels up the base search with the ability to utilize filters and sorting options to truly focus in on the assets you want to explore. By using the asset discovery page, you and your team will be able to self-serve in data discovery and find the data assets you need quickly and efficiently. Asset discovery can be accessed in three different ways. You can access it by clicking on the top search bar on any page, by pressing Command and K, or by clicking on the assets icon on the top left-hand navigation. The main search bar allows you to enter the asset you are looking for. Just to the left is the connection filter, where you can limit your results to a specific connection type and then the connection itself. If the connection is a SQL-based asset type, you can then filter further by selecting the database and even schema. Below the search is the asset type selector. This allows you to limit your search results by the type of asset. So if you're looking for a particular column or table, this is the way to do it. On the left-hand side, you have the ability to filter by different asset attributes. The domains filter allows you to return only assets owned by specific domains. The certification filter allows you to return only assets with a specific certification status. The owner filter allows you to filter the assets based on their owners, which can be individuals or groups. Tags allows you to find any assets that have a specific tag applied to them. Terms will return any assets that have been linked to a specific term. It is a great way to find assets associated with specific metrics or business definitions. The properties filter allows you to focus on specific aspects of the asset, and there are so many options. These include limiting the assets to those that have specific values in the description, whether or not a README is available for the asset, or even whether or not the asset has lineage. Once you have filled out your filters and put in your search value, on the right-hand side of the search bar, you can choose to sort your results. If you want to customize what you see in your search result, clicking on the three dots allows you to do this. You can add terms, tags, the connection the asset is from, and whether or not to show the description of the asset. By using a combination of filters in the search, the asset discovery page allows you to find the assets you need inside Atlan. And with that, we conclude our high-level walkthrough of asset discovery.